Why scroll through Quora for free when you can earn? See how ChatGPT can help you make money in our tutorial. When it comes to making money online through ChatGPT, this method is definitely one of the easiest to get started with. You don't need any web design skills or to create a website from scratch. Also, there is no need to work as a freelancer, and you won't even have to spend any money. By using some simple techniques, you can quickly begin to make money through ChatGPT without any hassle. Earning commissions on autopilot by using ChatGPT is a fantastic opportunity, and it all begins with one simple step. All you have to do is visit Quora.com and start answering questions using ChatGPT. The entire process is easy to follow, and I will guide you through the steps from start to finish. Just remember that, like any online business venture, it will take time and effort to see fruitful results. Stay tuned till the end of the explanation for more details. Let's jump right into the video. Nowadays, there are many options available for earning money online through ChatGPT, such as providing freelance services, among others. However, some individuals may not be keen on this particular approach due to various reasons. For instance, some individuals argue that the freelance marketplace is intensely competitive, making it challenging to find and retain clients easily. Nevertheless, it's important to note that other opportunities exist, and there's something for everyone if they take the time to research and choose correctly. It's all about finding the most suitable approach that meets your needs, interests, and skill set. Websites we need to look at. I'm excited to share with you a unique way to earn money online that you may not have heard of before. All you need is a total of 3 websites, and the first one is the well-known Quora.com. This platform is fantastic because it's the largest question and answer social site that provides access to information on any topic you can think of. Plus, you can also answer questions from other users to contribute your knowledge to the community. Using this approach, you can leverage your expertise to start earning some commission online. ClickBank.com is the second website that is required. If you're unaware, ClickBank is the largest online affiliate market, offering hundreds of affiliate offers in a variety of themes that you can advertise. Digistore24 is a suitable substitute for ClickBank if it is unavailable where you live, and ChatGPT is the final website we require. By using 3 different websites together, you can start earning passive income. I'm excited to walk you through this profitable method step by step and explain how it all works. Stay tuned for more details and join me on this journey to financial freedom. Quora.com. The first thing you must do is go to Quora.com and register for a free account. It's actually quite easy, as you can see. Facebook or your email can be used to sign up. For those who don't know, Quora is an online platform where people can ask and answer questions covering a wide range of topics. It is a reliable source of information and knowledge sharing that attracts experts, enthusiasts, and professionals. This is how your dashboard appears after you log in. As you can see, you can access your profile settings and change your language from the dashboard, but none of that is required because this search bar is all that is required. Our ultimate aim on Quora is to discover the pain points that people need immediate solutions for and offer our help through ChatGPT and ClickBank products. Both these resources have been very helpful in providing comprehensive yet straightforward answers to pressing queries, while also generating commission for us in the process. I think it's wise to concentrate our efforts on 3 specific problem areas: health, wealth, and relationships. These are the categories that people are always looking for advice and guidance on, and we have plenty of resources at our disposal that can cater to these needs. With a targeted approach focused on these 3 areas, we can serve our audience better while also finding ways to increase our commission. While health, wealth, and relationships are the most popular categories for people seeking advice and guidance, there are many other topics that we can explore to connect with potential clients. For instance, if we want to target the health niche, we can delve into specific areas such as weight loss or stress relief, which are always pressing concerns for many people. Alternatively, in the wealth section, tips on how to make money online are always trendy and worth leveraging to boost our commission. The beauty of Quora is that it offers endless possibilities for us to connect with people seeking solutions to their unique problems. By keeping an open mindset and being adaptable to clients' needs, we can identify new problem areas and offer our expertise accordingly. This continuous exploration and adaptation will give us a better chance of succeeding in this highly competitive market. In this section of the tutorial, we'll be focusing on search filters and how to use them effectively. Let's say our chosen topic is stress relief. Now we can simply type that term into the search bar and get endless results on the topic. However, we can optimize our search by using the filters on the left-hand side of the screen. First, we'll select questions as the type of content we want to see. Then, to narrow things down even further, We'll change the time filter to show only questions posted in the past hour or day. This way, we won't have to contend with as many competitors for answering questions that were posted a while ago. These little tips and tricks can give you a leg up in the game and help increase your commissions. Use ChatGPT for answers. As you can see, current questions about stress relief have been posted. I'll pick one of them to begin with, and now all we have to do is copy the question, go to ChatGPT, start a discussion, and receive thorough responses. To help you stand out with your answers, I always ask the chatbot to divide the response into different sections, and then summarize it using bullet points. You can copy your produced response and return to Quora after it has been generated. Click Answer and paste the text that ChatGPT generated. You can bold the keywords and add space between paragraphs to make it simpler to read and more appealing. Clickbank.com. Once you are finished, don't post it immediately on Quora because we still have one more important step, which is finding a product to promote. All you need to do is head to clickbank.com and create a free account. Once you're in, you can see all the different offers you can promote, and as well you will have the product categories on the left-hand side. What we need to do now is find a product related to the question we are answering. In my case, I will search for stress relief. After that, all related products will appear, as you can see. To make the most out of ClickBank's vast product catalog, it's essential to do your research and pick the ones that resonate most with your target audience. Once you've made your selection, generating an affiliate link is super easy. For example, I recently found a desirable scalp head massager that I thought could do well. When we return to Quora, we must now edit the answer to include the affiliate link. There are various ways to do that, but I'll share my favorite with you. For instance, you might add a new section to your answer by composing a short personal recommendation before pasting the name of the thing you're promoting. Once you've done that, all you have to do is add the link to the product name. As you can see, this shows a much cleaner appearance than simply pasting the link in its current form. I advise you to place the link throughout the answer, not only at the end. Just be careful to choose the appropriate location to introduce your product to avoid appearing spam. At last, click the post. You will now get paid when readers of your answer use your affiliate link to purchase a product. You can complete this entire process just once, and your Quora answer will remain there, earning you a passive income without any additional work required. That's the beauty of it. To be successful with this method, it is crucial to strive for answering as many questions as possible each day. Additionally, make sure to use the time filter feature and try to be among the first ones to provide answers to the questions, as shown in this video previously. If you enjoyed watching the video, hit the like button and comment below. And if you want to know how to make money on YouTube as a beginner, check out that video right here, and we'll see you there.